That's how you hug up your mommy?
There's bees in my eye.
Oh, sorry. Jeez, that went bad.
I love you.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good.
You eating? Yep, cheesy.
My friends like to eat honey.
Your friends like to eat honey?
Yeah.
Do you like to eat honey?
No, I don't like honey. I don't. Honey is from bees. Bees bite me all the time.
Still going, Emmy. I'm still going. It's yummy? All done?
Now we can put it in together.
Take some more. Take some more, Nana. Emmy, start to eat. No, don't eat it yet.
I just eat
you have
a
to put
little.
that in the microwave.
Where's the marshmallow? It's gonna turn into something. That's a good.
Go ahead, pour it in there.
Sticky.
So it turned out okay, but the bottom is soggy. So people is a fail. Alright guys, let's head out. It's like the first time the kids are getting out of the house.
Mama.
And this one is very angry. He's not used to the car seat anymore. You have toys, baby? Mommy brought toys. Ah. Tickle Elmo. Elmo. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Are you happy to be out the house?
I just want to go to Brisbane and see Grandpa.
And what you gonna do when you get there? Are you gonna have fun?
I'm gonna have fun.
Are you gonna ride your bicycle?
Yeah, I am going. I am going to fly my kite.
You still saying you're stuck over there, Emmy? You're not stuck, Papa. You're okay.
I'm going to fly my kite. Not stuck.
No, you're not stuck. It's okay. Seatbelt. Safety first.
No.
Safety first.
No.
Yeah, so look who made it out the car seat. Mommy gave in. Since we're parked, you get a chance to be out. Huh, Emmy? Yeah, you're out. You're hiding. I see you. Where's Emmy? Where's Emmy? Where's Emmy? I see you. Look, vroom. Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy. Where you going?
Drive.
So, drive. Yeah, you drive.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Will you drive?
Drive for mommy then.
Trying to let me do it.
Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy.
Everybody fighting.
Why is everybody fighting? Oh
Because
no.
the bad guys tell them to fight.
Oh no. So finally, we're on our way down to the country. What are you telling Gigi? Don't mind the random clip without the sound. I couldn't put it in because it was the Beanie Man versus Bounty Killer versus challenge or battle. It was amazing. But people had to rush in from Mape and we forgot the curfew. Police would have locked us up. Lovey-dovey, lovey-dovey, love. Kiss.
This is a new slow song.
Okay, sing it.
What they wrote 5-5. You make a 5-5. Give me a high five and make me run around. Oh, sing for me, sing for me. I love that tip-a-tip, sing for the kids and a fun main day. On a Monday, you sing for me.
Alright. So happy you stopped by and checked out this video. We're gonna end it here, get the kids to sleep, and call it a night. Thanks for being awesome!